Mabuhay! Good day, sir. We are on the chapter 13, which is Region 12, South Central Mindanao Region or SOCSARGEN. Area and location. The Central Mindanao region is bounded by the north Misamis Oriental, Bukidnon and Iligan Bay, by Iliana and the Moro Gulf, and on the east by Davao del Sur. It has a total land area of 109,168 square kilometers. Now, let us know about Cotabato City. Area and location. Cotabato City is located in the northwestern section of Maguindanao Province, approximately 698.9 nautical miles from Manila. It is bounded on the north by the municipality of Sultan Kudarat, on the east by the municipality of Kabuntalan, on the south by the municipality of Dinaig, and on the west by Iliana Bay. The city has a total land of 17,599 hectares. So here's the tourist attractions of Cotabato City. First, Araw ng Cotabato. The event commemorates the creation of Cotabato as a charter city. This is marked by cultural presentation, trade exhibits, athlete competitions, and other events such as the Layang Layang or Kite Festival. The highlight of the affair is the selection of the Mutya ng Cotabato, the event held every June 12 to 20. The second is Immaculate Conception Festival. This town fiesta is highlighted by a civic, military, and cultural parade. Also features trade fairs, cultural shows, sports, competitions, and religious activities. This annual event is held every December 8. Kutang Batu Cave. These are the only caves in the country that are located at the heart of a city. Next, Our Lady of Lourdes Grotto in Barangay Awang, Dinaig. This is a replica of Our Lady of Lourdes Grotto in France. The compound is equipped with a retreat of house for recollections and seminars, a mini zoo, and a children's park. The site attracts numerous visitors and many devotees who believes that the Lady of Lourdes performs miracles. PC Hill. This city of Cotabato basically spreads around this hill. PC Hill is a 92 stone fort towering over the city. It is in fact the area's most landmark. It now houses the city's Internal Defense Command. Next, Rio Grande de Mindanao. Rio Grande de Mindanao is the second largest river in the Philippines and the largest island of Mindanao. The main river and its tributaries crisscross the city's vast area. It is estimated to be 182 kilometers long and 96 meters wide. Sharif Kabunsuan Festival. This is a grand festival commemorating the arrival of Sharif Kabunusuan, an Arab-Malay missionary from Johor in the Malay Peninsula, to bring Islam to mainland Mindanao. This festivity is held every 15 to 19. Next, Tamuntaka Church in Barangay Tamuntaka. This church was built in 1872 and is in fact the oldest in the city. And the last one is Timaco Hill in southwestern part of Cotabato City. The hill overlooks Iliana Bay. Several resorts are located there. These are Linik, Kusyong, and Tapian Point. It is surrounded by the blue waters and white sand beaches.
The next one is Cotabato Province. The capital of Cotabato Province is Cadapawan City. Area and location. Cotabato is bounded by Lanao del Sur and Bukidnon on the north, Davao del Norte on the east, Maguindanao on the west, the South Cotabato on the south. The province has total land area of 6,958.72 square kilometers. Tourist attraction. First is allowed to Apple Sandawa Travel Festival at Barangay Sayaban, Kidapawan. This travel festival highlights the rich culture heritage of the people through ethnic song and tribal sports. The event is held every April 7 to 8. The second one is Flortam Hot Spring in Makilala. This legendary spring is usually called the Fountain of Youth due to the healing and rejuvenating power supposedly by its hot water. The third one is Halad sa Santo Niño in Midsayap. This is an annual fiesta celebration in the municipality of Midsayap held in honor of their patron saint Senior Santo Niño. The event is highlighted by street dancing, parades, and contents. Next is Kalibungan Festival in Kidapawan City. Kalibungan is Manubu term of Grand Festival and is celebrated early in the province of Cotabato. The Manubus, Bagubus, and other highland tribes for the different parts of the province and nearby areas go down to the municipality of Kidapawan to take part of a fiesta. Kalibungan is held every August 14. Next is Magbu River in Magpit. Several waterfalls and explored first growth, forest, and floral can be found in the area. Next is New Israel in Barangay Makilala, Kidapawan City. This mountain village is home of religious sect called the Munkadistas. It is situated along the periphery of Mount Apo National Park in an elevation of 1,600 feet above sea level. Next is Pakpakaat Kalu Festival in Magpit. This annual fest in indigenous tribes in the municipality of Magpit is held as a thanksgiving for a bountiful harvest during the Holy Week. Next is Pikit Form in Pikit. This is an old Spanish fort that played a significant role in maintaining a colony of Christmas when Mindanao was dominated by Muslim and Andalumads. The last one is University of Southern Mindanao in Cabacan. The campus is set amidst with verdant fields and open to all amphitheater can be found with the grounds.
Good afternoon, sir. Our topic today is Sultan Kudarat. Capital, the Sultan Kudarat is Isulan. Area and location. The province is bounded on the north by the Maguindanao and Cotabato, on the south by South Cotabato, on the east by Davao del Sur, and on the west by the tourist attraction Ligosan Mars. This is one of the largest wasteland in the Philippines. It is home to numerous bird and other wildlife. Made Pandan Falls, Palimbang. The waterfalls are set amidst lands greenery and form a fall ideal for swimming. Sisiman Hot Spring, Calamansig. This is one of the many little town natural attraction of the province of Sultan Kudarat. White Beach, Sultan Kudarat, Palambing, a favorite reaction spot among the local. Our next topic is South Cotabato. Capital sa South Cotabato is Coronadal. Area and location. South Cotabato is bounded on the north and west by Sultan Kudarat, on the east by Davao del Sur and Sarangani, and on the south by the Celebes Sea. Tourist attraction. Abriana Farm, Palcan, a collection of ground and aerial access as well as various indigenous flowers can be found here. Cabo Beach. This stretch on black sand beach has called Western ideal for swimming, fishing, and boating. Our next is Dulik Canary. The 10 hectares pineapple plantation is also the site of the Dupilil Clubhouse, which pictures of golf course and other facilities. It is also jump off point for the claim to Mountain Matutum Kaligaangan Festival. The event, which celebrates every February 21 to 27 in honor of Jean Paulino Santo Leding in the province, in highlights by various cultural preparation, sports activities, parade, and exhibits.